Working with people that live in Malawi is absolutely crucial to making a project really, really work. They know the country, they know what works, they know the solutions. So for us, it's absolutely critical, and I'll give you a really good example. In the recent floods in Malawi, which had a devastating impact, we were able to work with people that were at that point of crisis immediately. We were able to work with the hospitals to respond to that crisis. One of the hospitals saw 4,000 latrines being completely destroyed, which had a massive health impact and brought cholera right to the door of the people. And we were able to respond through the people that work at Malanja Mission Hospital, Ruth Shakespeare and the team there. And they didn't go and dig the new latrines and make them for them. We didn't fly somebody in from another country and just give an immediate response. We worked with the people that lived in the areas, and we gave materials and training and how to build your own latrines. So people now have their own that they own and they will maintain. And so there is a huge element of ownership and pride in it, which means that it's sustainable, which is what we all want to achieve in terms of development.
I'd love to see Community Energy Malawi as a support organisation grow, working very closely with the government and the communities and making that vital link between the two, because, like I say, at the moment there is just the national office and then there's communities on the ground, and energy's kind of lost in the haze in between. So if there was a civil society organisation like Community Energy Malawi to take forward issues of lobbying, policy, working with communities and providing that vital link, I think that would be a great thing to see.
Working closely with the Scotland and Malawi partnership members, as well as the public sector in Malawi, it can help the people at the grassroots level to alleviate their suffering, because they actually know what is needed for them to come out of the poverty trap. So that's why I believe working together can help the local Malawians.
I think civil society plays a critical role in development in any country. And particularly in Malawi, actually, when you're working on how to improve governance, how to deliver services, how to make sure that people have a good livelihood and can really have the incomes and jobs that they deserve. So civil society are key in both delivering some of those really important services. They can be really key in finding those innovative ways of thinking about service delivery, of improving service delivery, and they play a really critical role in ensuring that governments are held to account for what they deliver. So that could be at a local level or at a national level. And the diversity of civil society is one of its strengths, obviously, as we've seen here this morning. And what's really important for DFID, as we think about how we fund civil society, is make sure that we fund civil society as it emerges in Malawi and also globally. Civil society is changing, and we need to make sure that the way that we fund reflects that and really gets to the heart of what civil society should be doing to contribute to development in Malawi.